Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a 90s blowout look. Hopefully I don't fail. I have to take some headshots today, so I thought that would be very cute for this occasion. I should take my retainers out because I sound like an idiot. Give me 1 second. Alright, okay. I got my hair silk pressed yesterday. Let's take a look. Let's see if you can see it all. It look delicious, don't it? I got a silk press from my good friend Jasmine. She does silk presses, braids, all that. She's the only person I let touch my hair. So go follow her right now. Go get your hair done. It is like 9:30 in the morning and my photo shoot's at 3 p.m. So we're gonna put the rollers in now. Gives it about, I don't feel like doing math. It gives it some time, okay? So I was in a rush yesterday to go get the silk press and I picked up some rollers and then I realized it wasn't enough after the fact, and Beauty Supply was closed because it was like 8:30 p.m. So Jasmine let me borrow hers. She has a lot, but they're smaller than these and what I wanted. So I'm gonna try, so this is gonna be a weird like little tutorial because I'm gonna put my focus with the big ones on the front of my hair and then use these ones for like the spots that doesn't really matter, if you get what I'm saying. So I hope I don't fail because that'd be bad. Like typical me, important photo shoot, and I'm experimenting. I got my mirror right here, I got you right here watching me, so let's do this. I'm going to part the most important piece to me, the front piece. Let me see. Usually, like I would start from bottom, roll to the top, but because I don't have enough medium-sized clips, I'm gonna go from top to bottom because I feel like these ones are more important. And then going to clip them with these duckbill clips. I've seen a lot of people using Velcro rollers. They didn't have those at the Beauty Supply. I think people get them off Amazon, so I'm gonna use these, but I'm not gonna use the little clip things actually, not these. I'm just gonna use the pins. I feel like there's something else I needed to tell you guys. I don't know, if it's important, it'll come back. Right. When I roll, I'm gonna do like opposite ways. So like with this one, I'll roll going up, and then my next layer, I'll roll going down. God, I hate having layers in my hair. Give me a second to readjust my life, okay? This is why they get those Velcro rollers, I see. Okay. Maybe I should just pin it from the beginning and the end. Sounds like a plan, Dan. Stop it. Oh my gosh. This should not be rocket science. Okay. Don't look at me like I'm stupid. And that's how we do it. There's somebody in my window. I'm embarrassed. All right. Oh, you are such a genius, Kai. Excuse me, but did I get it to stay right here like this? Okay, like that. Guys, I did my first roll. This is gonna be hell for me, isn't it? I think I'm gonna do this middle one right here because it's the most important one. And just gonna get it out the way. I'm gonna use all my big medium rollers and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like after because I let you see me struggle, okay? Now it's time to move on. I'll be back. The beauty supply be so ghetto sometimes because why is this in my box? What is this? But guys, anyways, this one, she's being ghetto. She's being ghetto. I don't know why she's looping like that. She's being a little ghetto. These two are fine. I think the first one was the best one. It took the longest. Yeah. But like I said, because I only got the medium ones, I only got like 3 more left. I'm making sure each side matches. This side is thicker, so yeah. This side's just a little bit thinner. Let's see how it turns out. Alright guys, so here it is. For some reason, as I went further down, it got easier. I don't know if because my hair is getting longer as I go down or it's becoming almost one length, so it's a little bit easier because I have so much layers more up top. I had one more big or medium one left, but I only had these 2 left and I didn't want it to be uneven, so I just used the small ones on both. I am going to clean up my eyebrows, eat, and enjoy my day until 30 minutes before I need to leave. So photo shoots at 3, leaving at 2:30, unraveling these at 2. So I will be back. I'm back. Okay, so I don't have a bonnet, so my hair was acting up, acting out. It was not being nice to me, so it looked like this right now. So hopefully it still turns out right. Hopefully it's not a fail. I'm not taking these out this time because I need them to be perfect before I get there. All right, let's just pray to the gods that this was not a fail. I tried to like protect my hair with this little silk scarf, but eventually it just was not holding on. So I'm gonna go from the bottoms first. I'm so scared. And let me put this on actually. I wish I had hairspray. I don't. This is oil sheen. It helps with the frizz. It smells good. If I had hairspray. would probably help. All right. Let's do it. If it doesn't turn out super great, I might have to use my flat iron to help with the blowout look. Okay, I do not like these clips. And I think you're just supposed to take it down like that. Alright. That's a little scary looking. I don't know, I didn't do too much. Alright, let's keep hope alive. Alright, let's do the other side. Alright, same thing. This one just was not having it. So let me just roll it down. Guys, I'm getting so scared. I don't like these clip things. Alright. This one's looking a little bit better than those, where I might have to do the bottom ones with my flat iron. Okay. Okay. This one was like my juicy one that looked all good. Very proud of this one. She's beautiful. Hopefully she comes out as just as beautiful. Ow, that hurt. Do I have a clip in your stuff? I did have a clip in your stuff. Gosh darn it, right? Okay. This one kept falling, alright? This is the important one, alright? So hopefully it turned out. Okay, I'm supposed to split it. I can't see it. And go this way. Okay. Alright. It doesn't look too bad. I was expecting a little bit more curl, but it's still so cute. Okay. I can probably just go over it a little bit with my flat iron. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, I'll be back. Ooh. Alright, so I just did some stuff to the ends. I think with practice and hairspray, it'll get better, but it's pretty good looking. Like, it looks cute, and maybe I'll do smaller parts next time because my hair is very thick. So I gotta be layering it better than that, but it looks pretty good. So I'll probably re-roll this front part up and take it out when I get there, but I just wanted to show you guys. So yeah, this is the look. It's pretty cute, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss another video, and click the like button as well. I will be back with another video. I don't know what video, but I will be back. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye. I can't trust nobody.